Here we go. They're both up in the treehouse and they're shooting Dale, who has like several pairs of clothes on, so it's pretty funny. I'm gonna laugh when you get shot, Daniel. Yeah, I got cocked my gun again. Whoa! He just shot at me! Get boy! No! Daniel! Stop! I'll file assault charges on you once! Run, fat boy, run! Heck, how you doing? You doing good? Doing good, yeah. You're a good girl. I like that. Run away, woman! You'll laugh when you get shot. Back away from there, or I will shoot you. Back away or I will shoot. There you go. Put your gun down. And point that at me. I'm looking solely through the camera at you. Are you pointing at your head right now? What? So what's the time I will shoot you? So yes, I'm still saying yes, Go! Take it all, I'm gonna be the last one standing. Higher overall. Oh no! The last one landing, 'cause I believe it, and I just want it all. I just want it all. I'm gonna put my hands in the air, hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, "Ayo, gotta let go." I wanna celebrate and live my life, saying, "Ayo, baby, let's go." 'Cause we gon' rock this club, we gon' go all night, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite. 'Cause I told you once, now I told you twice, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Grab my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. 'Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, trying on all our clothes, boys blowing up their phones. Dropped up and playing our favorite CDs, pulling up to the parties, trying to get a little bit tipsy.
You're empty too.